Choo-choo-choo! Here comes the train! Enter the railway station. Ready to stop, turn the switch to stop. Train stop. Add plain water. Close the lid. Turn on the steam switch. Train start. Go to the next station. Hold the switch to change. Start reversing. Align rail bell nuts. Easy assembly of rails. Open the battery compartment cover. Connect the battery. Installing the battery. Cover the battery compartment. Tighten screws. USB charging cycle. Battery full red, not displayed. Put the train on the track. Assemble the train. Go, go, go! Next station. There are many styles to choose from.